Cool. Hello mga lafangers! Welcome to Ayala Mall Central Block. They have 5 floors here sa Ayala Mall nila guys. Ako kaayo. And they have a lot of food shop here. You can choose na sila Jerry's Grill, na sila Kitchen, na sila they even have cinema here sa 4th floor and 5th floor. Take a look at their cinema. And naasad sila McJoy dire guys. Ito na kanya ang McJoy. And here we are ang Rep Shop. Ari ko mukha.
Yeah, boy.
And they have also kids zone here for kids to play. And they have also Kid Zona. Am I right? Kid Zona ba niya? And direct dapita guys is where you will find their American mga steak, mga ramen. And here is the Sada where you can actually if tanan ka mapahuway, magpamuni-muni dinha. And mauni ang sulod sa Rep Shop guys. They have spare ribs, pichu, chicken, and then pork barbecue, chicken barbecue. And guys, this is my order. This is bestseller sa ilang product din niya, ang ilang spare ribs. This is only rice. It's worth 129 pesos guys. So anytime pwede rin ka mga rice. Did you know guys na it was founded in 2012 ang Reb Shack sa husband and wife? And ang Reb Shack nila guys is it started as small but ni dako siya dito sa 888 Chinatown dito sa Bacolod City. They are known for their signature baby back ribs and only rice. So the brand quickly grew into a popular food fast chain. And then dito sa Visayas and Mindanao, imagine 50 branches na sila. Another food for thought. Baboos, malakangers.